Hello and welcome to the Exceller video series featuring our WorkFit for ServiceNow product. My name is Matt Burke and I am the product manager for WorkFit. Today I wanted to introduce the newest module in the ServiceNow store called the Capability Mapper. I thought we could spend a few minutes walking through how easy it is to start designing and editing your capability model. So why don't we jump right in? So for those of you that are familiar with ServiceNow, you'll know that this menu you can personalize based on the modules that bring value to you. As you can see, I have my favorites here. I've got my home page and various other modules. When you download the capability mapper, you can favorite that and easily start working from your left navigation pane. One thing I did want to mention is within the capability mapper, you receive our S2E guide, which is truly the foundation of our WorkFit and strategy to execution methodology within Exceller. As you can see, I can click on all of these. For instance, since we're talking about capability modeling, I can click here and we have some best practices around learning and developing and engaging with the capability model and various stages within the S2E process. So I would highly recommend you review that as you start your journey into designing innovative models. So why don't we jump right into the capability model viewer, and you'll have the same screen I have when you get started, which is no models. The quickest way to get started is you can click up here in the left and create a new model very quickly. I thought instead of creating a new model from scratch, which is basic details here, we would take a model that I had existing and show you how easy it is to build and edit that model. So you can see my model right now has heat, and I've got heat highlighted. These are the indicators and measures that I have currently in my environment. One thing to note here is within the capability mapper, you have the luxury of creating and customizing measures based on the constituents or story that you want to tell in your model. So keep that in mind, and we'll run another video to show you how to set up custom measures and assess heat for your capabilities. You can also see I have a filter here that if I wanted to highlight, if I had a big model, I want to highlight areas that are priorities, I can do that as well. So let's clear the filter here and jump over here to the right and get into edit mode. So if you see design model here, I click that, and the title now is model designer. Once you're in here, you can start to drop and drag capabilities. For those of you that have worked on the WorkFit Enterprise, it's much like the user interface there, where we've given you the ability to customize your model in a simplified way. One thing to note is you can add a capability down at the bottom and it'll naturally take the hierarchy that you've already built and plug it right in. Or you can actually right click. So why don't we add a few children here? So ensure capability, I'm going to add a new capability here called troubleshoot issues. And if I hit enter, we've got that, and you see how quickly that's saved. I can add a sibling for that, and we'll call that monitor environment. And we can add one more to that. And again, you can add a child or a sibling at this level as well, called manage software upgrades. So once this is saved, again, I can drop and drag from here. So I could add this under develop solutions. I can hold it on top of it, and then it becomes a child. Once you're done, you can click the capability models here and go back to your model, and you'll see that we have these capabilities now, and obviously they don't have heat. And I think the next video will unpack specifics around building out your measure categories and showing you how easy it is to conduct your heat assessments on all these capabilities. I appreciate your time today. Have a great day, and I look forward to our next video. Thank you.